Okay, we're going to demonstrate how to connect between two network managers. First, we're going to connect to the first network manager by entering data in the keypad on the LCD. We're going to show everything show up on PC connected to the first manager in a GUI. We're going to disconnect that. We're going to reset our microcontroller. We're going to plug in the information for the second network manager. We're going to show the data coming through on the GUI on this other PC. Let's get started. We're going to start by entering the data to connect to the first one.
Yeah, it's because remember how, yeah, I didn't get the stuff, no, I didn't get the stuff. I did
Are you
get
sure you
bugs.
have them?
Is that?
Are you sure you have them?
No, I wasn't sure when I have it, but I thought. I looked at my mouth.
Yeah. Wasn't it there?
Yeah.
I think Dr. Then maybe put it in there.
Whose paper is this? You see? I need paper. I need a pencil. We don't need a pencil.
Oh.
Now that we've entered the network ID and the key for the first manager, the program built into the PIC is going to send commands to the wireless mote right here. And that wireless mote is going to join a network on the first manager. It takes 2 to 5 minutes for it to connect. See, the mode status is at mode 1. That means it's still trying to connect.
Yeah.
Goes up to mode 5 and then it's fully connected.
Yeah.
Takes a little while because when each manager has been turned on for a while, it stops requesting.
Fast advertising.
Stops advertising, I guess. It's not requesting.
By default, it advertises it like floods, but when it's been a while, it only does it occasionally.
Okay, after a few minutes, it's now gone through all the modes and it's sending data. Let's take a look at this. First program is up. I'm going to open up the GUI now. You can see about every 5 to 10 seconds we're receiving new information, and that automatically updates our SQLite server. And when the server updates, the GUI automatically updates and animates by adding an extra data point. So now, just to show you that it's doing what it needs to do, the very top graph is temperature. I'm going to go over to our temperature sensor, which is right here. I'm going to place my finger over the temperature sensor to warm it up. This is a combination temperature and humidity sensor, so both of those graphs will go, but just to show you that it's doing what it's supposed to do, head back over here. You can see on the GUI that the top two graphs, top is temperature, the second one down is humidity, are climbing. When I have my finger on it, you can see they're now coming back down again as they cool because my finger is off of the sensors. So now what we're going to do is we're going to close out of this. We're going to reset our microcontroller by cycling power. We're going to enter the network ID and the network key of our other manager and show that this is capable of connecting to either one simply by using the keypad display.
Yeah.
That's like the header between the two computers. It says ECE, and you copy that too. So you can't just delete it.
That's funny. Oh, so it's biased. Yeah, I know. Right?
Right. Alright.
That's the power. This is. But you have to change it, right?
Okay, now we've got the network ID and the key completely in there. Both of these were preset for each of the network managers. You can go ahead and go through its same process of joining like we did before, except that we're joining the other network manager.
You shift wherever you keep shifting the same thing. That? Yeah, that I stays the same. It's never decremented. So you're not changing. It's going to happen. This, what we do is going to happen over and over again. No, we just make two. We make 200.
Okay, now we've connected and we are sending data after a few minutes. Gonna head over here to our other PC and our other manager. Gonna get the GUI going. This one has the API Manager program running beforehand to put all the data into the database. Okay, previously we looked at the GUI. We had prior data in there from a couple days ago, so it was compressing everything. So we cleared that data, opened it back up, and now you can see that as the data comes into the network manager puts the data into the SQLite database. The SQLite database, when it's updated, updates on the GUI. And we'll show the temperature sensor being warmed up. See the top two climbing. The top is the temperature. Second one down is the humidity. Should start resting back as new information comes in. As you can see, the Mote is capable of joining either network, and all that needs to be done is to have the credentials put in on the keypad and let the process go.